Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. So, in this video, guys, we're going to be covering Doge, Luna Classic, Shiba Inu, Pepe, XRP, and also Jasmine, which I've made previous videos on price prediction where I've been expecting minimum of 50% correction, guys, all across the board on most coins. Whether you want to believe that or not, guys, this is what I'm expecting. I'm sharing my opinion. It may happen, it may not happen, but most likely, guys, I've been studying crypto far too long to not understand the charts. So I'm going to be sharing my thoughts, what I think will happen, guys, short term and long term. And if you are new, guys, and passing through, I suggest you join the Bull Run Telegram group. The link is in the description below. This is where I share price predictions and give alerts when to buy, when to sell, when to take profits. And looking back in history, guys, I've been expecting Bitcoin to drop in the 80K, 70K ranges, which should have already happened already, but at this present moment, I believe they are setting a lot of traps for long traders to get liquidated. Even ETH, I'm expecting a nice drop on the weekly time frame as well. XRP, been expecting a drop about the $1 range. Doge about below the $3, below the 30 cents range. So we're gonna head over to the charts, but first let's take a look at Luna Classic. I've made a price prediction, guys, where we've been expecting a correction, which the correction has already occurred. The reason I do these, guys, is so you can take some profits at the top and you continue to DCA at the bottom, guys. So you continue to accumulate a lot of coins. So in the previous video of Luna Classic, I mentioned if Bitcoin continue to go down, we will also see Luna Classic drop down as well. So this is what we are witnessing now on a daily time frame and also on the weekly time frame. So in a previous video, I mentioned if we were actually holding at support for Luna Classic, if Bitcoin continued to drop, which I'm expecting it to drop in the 80s, 70s, which we will see Luna Classic drop in the 406s. It will break that big support here, and it will give you a good opportunity to buy lower, guys. So this is what you should be anticipating. I made a previous video at the high here. I told you guys to take some profits. I told you guys it's coming down. You should have been take a little bit of profits. Most of the time, guys, you don't have to sell everything. You take a little bit of profits and you can wait for the dip to happen, and you continue to accumulate, and you will have more coins. But short term, guys, we will see a drop with Luna Classic along with Bitcoin, and then after the correction is complete on the weekly time frame, this is where we will see Luna Classic at all-time high to heading toward all-time high. And let's see for Doge here. For Doge holders, I also mentioned to you guys to take some profits at the high, and I've told you I've been expecting a correction at the 22s, 20 cents, and we are about to see this happen as well. And there were a lot of comments in the XRP video, guys. I'm not even gonna show it just to protect people's privacy. People are calling me names, guys. They said I was misinformed. I didn't know what I was talking about, quote unquote. But guys, the thing is, most people, they haven't studied the market like I've studied the market, and they believe they know what's going to happen. So uh, I can give you advice, but I can't force you to take the advice. It's all up to you. And a lot of people are following other YouTube channels that's giving them wrong information, and then they come to my YouTube channel and they think I'm giving them wrong information. But majority of these YouTube channel guys, they have no idea where the market is headed. They're just following trends. And like, this is why I kept mentioning it's going to be very difficult for you to find another person in the crypto space to know that knows more about crypto than I do, because I've been studying it extensively and deeply, guys, so I understand the charts. So I'm expecting XRP to drop in the low $101 ranges. In the previous video I mentioned for you guys to take some profits at the top, so we will see this happen. And the thing is, guys, considering we are in the bull run, sometimes we don't get heavy corrections. Even if XRP did have a nice drop since I made that video, so it dropped into about the $1.90. That should have been a good correction enough to continue price up. But you have to understand, these coins doesn't move on their own, they move together with the market. So whatever Bitcoin does, that's what these coins are going to do. So they will follow Bitcoin. So XRP wants to pump, guys, but it's bound by the market, it's bound by Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's gonna come down, and this will pull everything down with it. So this is where we're going to see the $1 XRP, so you guys can continue to DCA. So we'll take a look here at Shiba Inu. Same thing for Shiba Inu, guys. Been expecting a correction as well. Let's see here. Yeah, on the weekly time frame, which already happened, and it will continue to happen as Bitcoin drops, and we may see Shiba Inu drops in the 4-1s. That would be 100% drop. So I'm expecting that to happen, or at least a 50% drop for Shiba Inu. Just like I mentioned, guys, if you took some profits, as I mentioned in the previous videos, you would have been okay. And then we are not day traders, guys, we are investors here. This is why I advocate in YouTube channel and also on the Telegram. We are not worried about short-term price, we are only worried about long-term price. But at the same time, guys, you want to be able to accumulate as many coins as you possibly can. This is how you make money. Continue to make money. You are not fearful when the market drops, because you will have some money on the side to DCA. Let's see here, the next one was Pepe. Yeah, same thing for Pepe, everything's gonna come down as well. Pepe is gonna come down on a weekly time frame. I'm expecting it to drop in the 4-1s, 4-1-3, 4-1-4s, along with Bitcoin, guys. It may even wick at the support level. Well, 4-1-4-1, 4-1-4 to 4-1-4, same thing. From here to about here, that's where I'm expecting it to drop. That's a good correction. If Bitcoin would stay where it's at and it would reverse continue the pump, we would see Pepe hold that support here. That would conclude a correction, and then it will continue to pump. But I'm expecting Bitcoin here to continue to drop, which I've been expecting, guys. On the weekly time frame, I'm expecting at least 80, 77, 75s areas to drop, and then we will have the biggest rally up toward 150, 200k, may even spike a little bit higher. This is where we're going to see the meme coins wake up, the altcoins wake up, and then this will spark and starts the bull. It will start the meme coin season, because the liquidity has to flow from Bitcoin, guys, into the lower caps. The only way for that to happen is for Bitcoin to have a major correction on the weekly time frame, and that will be because the whales are selling, the major holders are selling Bitcoin, and they will use some of that profits to load up on meme coins and altcoins. Let's make sure I'm not forgetting anything else here. It was Doge, XRP we covered, Shiba Inu we covered, Luna Classic, Pepe we covered. Yeah, those are the top fives we covered. And we will see this correction happen, guys. So just prepare, so whenever you see these long red candles, you are not fearful like the rest of everyone else that's in the market. As I mentioned before, everyone is just following the trend. They don't understand where the market in general is going. And then this is where sometimes people come and attack me on the YouTube channel when I make these predictions, and they say I am misinformed. But like I said, guys, this will differentiate the winners from the losers in the crypto space, because most people, guys, they are missing key information to predict the market, guys. So I'll see you guys in the Telegram. If you're new and passing through, guys, surround yourself with like-minded people with knowledge and understanding that will help you make money in crypto, guys. Peace.